Ct1000 here, just two tips and repairs and hobbies. And we got the Apec Ct1000. This is a filter for your water. And we have a lot of minerals, so I put this filter on. It just screws in down here in the bottom. And it comes with adapters. The hose runs into the back. You turn the water on. Okay, it's got a little flipper in the back. And you just flip that. The water comes out and it's filtered. So I want to show you this because I used all the other faucet mounted ones, the Brita, the Pure. This one seems to be the best to use. So I'll put the link in the description below for you in the comments, and I hope this helps you. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.